here. I'm the account manager for Steel and Metal Trade up here in Auckland. Here to talk to you about my favourite tool. So this is Hilti's hollow drill bit, probably one of our best innovations that we've made. My favourite parts about this is when you compare it to a regular drill bit, you're actually addressing and finding huge benefits, not just in health and safety, not just in QA, but in your efficiency of application as well. So we'll start with what the actual bit does. It works the same as a regular fluted bit for drilling into concrete and masonry. The main difference, as you can see, it's got holes near the end of the bit. This will mean that the dust, if you attach this bit to a vacuum, will flow through the bit and straight into the vacuum cleaner. First favourite thing about this is the health and safety side of things. It means that you're not going to be shooting dust into the atmosphere when you're drilling, keeping the boys a lot safer. Second thing is obviously QA. Now, with the steel and metal guys, a lot of the applications involve chemical epoxying into concrete. When you're using chemical, you've got to make sure the hole's cleaned out, typically involving brushing and blowing the hole after you're drilling it. This, as long as you're using it with Hilti's verified safe set solution, means you don't have to brush or blow that hole afterwards. Finally, obviously when you're not spending that time brushing and blowing, you can spend more time actually drilling and epoxying. So you're saving yourself a hell of a lot of time as well. Alright, let's see it in action.